In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your MacBook to a 144Hz gaming monitor. Configure the correct display settings and make sure you're actually getting the full 144Hz refresh rate. Before connecting your monitor, you might want to check your MacBook's display output capabilities because a high refresh rate monitor can make everything feel smoother from scrolling through web pages to gaming and video editing. So you need to verify that your MacBook supports external displays at 144Hz because most modern MacBooks, including MacBook Air, and I have a MacBook Pro model, but the Apple Silicon chips can actually support high refresh rate external monitors. Please take note of the maximum refresh rate can achieve depends on your MacBook model, the monitor resolution, the cable you are using, and the adapter or dock being used. If you are unsure, you need to check your MacBook's specifications on the Apple's website. Of course, you want to make sure to choose the right connection. The easiest way to connect a MacBook to a gaming monitor is through USB-C. Depending on your monitor, you may need a USB-C to DisplayPort cable, USB-C to HDMI cable, USB-C hub or dock with a DisplayPort output, Thunderbolt to DisplayPort adapter, and of course, for the best chance of achieving 144Hz, DisplayPort is generally recommended because it's offering greater bandwidth and compatibility with high refresh rate monitors. I am using DisplayPort because it also supports USB-C video output, and a single USB-C cable may also be needed. And remember to connect the monitor. Now, connect one end of your cable to the other end gaming monitor. Once connected, turn the monitor, select the correct input source, wait a few seconds for macOS to detect the display. Your desktop should automatically appear on the monitor. And of course, you want to make sure to set the refresh rate to 144Hz. In the monitor settings, look for the refresh rate drop-down menu. Click the menu and then select the 144Hz if available. If you don't see the 144Hz, try a DisplayPort connection instead of HDMI and use a higher quality cable. Now check your adapter supports high refresh rates. Lower the display resolution if necessary, and after selecting the 144Hz, the display may briefly go black while the new setting is applied. And finally, you need to verify the monitor's refresh rate. Many gaming monitors include a built-in information panel that shows the current refresh rate. All I have to do is open your monitor's on-screen display menu and check the resolution, refresh rate, input type. You should see 144Hz displayed if everything is configured correctly. You can also return to macOS display settings to confirm the selected refresh rate. And of course, the last option that you can do is enable gaming features. If you are using the monitor for gaming, consider enabling additional features such as adaptive sync, FreeSync, variable refresh rate, low input lag mode, and gaming picture presets. These settings can improve responsiveness and reduce screen tearing during gameplay. And basically, that's it for today's video. I hope you'll find this helpful. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next one.